In this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends RiotClientServices.exe fail to start. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you come here and search for Task Manager. Open it up and click on Details, sort by the name, and then what you want to do is press anywhere and press R, look for Riot Client and Riot Client Services, and end the task on all of them. Once you've ended it, you want to open up the Riot Client, come up here, Settings, choose League of Legends, and choose Repair. This is going to repair your game, and then that can fix the issue. If it still doesn't work after this, what I suggest we do is we click on League of Legends, or you can search for it, League of Legends, right click, open file location, then do it again, and you should get over to the Riot Client folder. Then what you want to do is you want to right click on the Riot Client Services, Properties, Compatibility, activate these two, apply OK, come back to Riot Games, open the League of Legends folder, scroll down, find RiotClientServices.exe, do the exact same thing, activate these two, come up here, go into Game, find League of Legends, Properties, and do the exact same. Now once you've done that on all three, try and launch the game and see if that works. If for some reason it's still not working, head back to League of Legends, Config and Logs, hold down Control, click on Logs. Once both are selected, you just want to delete these two. If it says you cannot delete them, it's because you have Riot Client or League open somewhere, so just close it down. Delete these two, empty recycle bin, restart your PC, and then it should work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.